Want to learn how to use the Procreate automatic selection tool to color your designs? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share the best ways to use Procreate to make money online. This tutorial is one of the tutorials of the Gnome Halloween series for Procreate. Let's learn how to use the automatic selection tool to quickly and easily color your designs. Let's open the Procreate app, add a new canvas. So you go and open the Procreate app, click on the plus size, and I'm gonna use a new canvas, a screen size, standard. So I have this already ready, and I'm gonna use the stamp that is available for you to download for free. So if I go to my brush library and select the stamp, it's one of the many stamps. I can increase the size, and on a different layer I'm gonna create stamp my gnome. So I'm happy with this. I'm just gonna center it. So okay, it's centered. So now for us to quickly color this, what I'm gonna do is go to my layers, click on the layer, click on reference, and add a layer underneath the layer that I've used my stamp on. So going back, I'm gonna select the colors from the Halloween color palette. This color palette is available in the shop or also in a bundle of 160 color palettes, I believe. So with these colors selected, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at my gnome, I'm gonna look at my colors. So I'm gonna start with some purple. I'm gonna select the color purple, and to speed up the process, instead of coloring with a brush, I'm gonna click here in the selection tool, automatic, and make sure that color fill is selected. Now I have this color purple selected. I'm gonna click, and I'm selecting the parts of my gnome which I want to color. So now if I want to choose another color, I repeat the process, click on selection, again automatic and color fill, and I'm gonna add some yellow here, and if I want to increase this, step here, and here, and unselected, select again, and let's go with this orange color for the hands. I'm happy with this, because if you don't do this step to unselected, what will happen is if I still have the selection open and I select another color, it's gonna change to another color. So it's also a nice tip, handy tip to know. So I'm gonna select again. I'm gonna choose this gray, so like this, and now I'm gonna do it again. Select this color, tap here and tap here and tap here, and there you go. We've quickly painted our gnome using the selection tool. And we are done. We have easily and quickly used the automatic selection tool to color our design using the Procreate app. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly create a landscape scenario for your gnomes. Let me know in the comments below which tip or trick would you like me to do next, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you like Halloween gnome stamps, check out the full Halloween gnome set for Procreate, or grab a sample of this set. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations.